Hi guys, so today we are going to make something very delicious dinner and very healthy also. So we are going to cook grilled fish today. This is very good for health guys, and it is very useful for our dieting also. So here I have taken, I'm going to make a butter butter coriander grilled fish. Okay, so here I have taken basa fish. This basa fish is very good guys, it's a fillet without bone. So basa fish you can take like this kind, about 2 fillet, means it should not be more than 150 grams. Okay, so we have to keep the calories also in our check. We can't take too much calories guys, so we cannot take too big pieces. So this also is quite enough for dinner. Okay, so like this one and like this one, 2 small fillet of basa fish. Okay, along with that we have taken half lime, lemon, whatever you can get, and then a handful of like about 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander. Okay, with this we'll be using a little bit of chili flakes, and then pepper, salt, and butter. All right, so I do my marination guys, you can have a look. So we're going to put both the fillet, and then we are going to put some pepper. You can put about 2 pinch of pepper guys. Okay, as per your taste. You like more pepper, you can put more. You like less, you can put less. And then we're going to put salt. You can put about 1 pinch of salt, because in fish we need a little more salt. Okay, 1 pinch on one side and another pinch on the other side. And then you can nicely give a rub with your hand, with your finger, because you need to wash your hand before touching your food and doing it. It will be like this guys. When marinating, one part will be like this. Okay, so we are going to roll it, and then we're going to again put the pepper. We have to nicely season it guys, otherwise the fish will not taste good. And then again you can take 1 pinch of salt. It's very good to use rock salt or Himalaya pink salt. Okay, so and this also you can nicely rub it around so that it gets everywhere, it gets nicely mixed. Okay, just like this guys, just like this. Okay, and then we heat our pan, and then I show you how to cook. Okay guys, so our ingredients, everything is prepared. Now we are going to pan fry it. If you have a griller, you can grill it in that. If you don't have, you can even grill in a pan also, normal pan also. Okay, so before we're going to grill it, we have a chili flakes. So you can add little chili flakes on this so that you can get little spicy zing. Okay, all right guys, and now we are going to, so you can put about 1 tablespoon of oil. Some people like to coat it in the flour, in maida or corn flour, but that will increase our calorie. So I don't want to do that. So I go directly to grill it. And then another one. Okay, nicely grill it guys. You can take the oil all around, and you can get, because remember there is a lot of water in the fish, so it will be like this. And keep moving the fish little after it is fried for some time, otherwise it will get sticky in your pan because it has water. Okay. And you can put little garlic and ginger paste in the side to give a nice flavor from the fish. If you want, you can, after you put the oil, you can put the ginger garlic paste, not much, only about half teaspoon, and you can nicely fry it in the oil, and then you can put the fish. But if you want the freshness of the ginger garlic, then you can put it a little later. Okay, and then you can put it. You can just see. Yes, you can turn around. Yes, guys. And then you can put about half tablespoon, 1 teaspoon or half tablespoon, guys, butter in this one. Okay, that much is enough. People likes to put more butter, but since we are making a healthy and less calories, so we need to put less butter, guys. We can't put more. Okay, and then you can just give a roll. See, guys, how beautiful it looks. Now we are getting the nice aroma, smell of butter and garlic and ginger. Okay guys, so my fish is ready. Now I taste and I tell you how does it taste. It's cooked very nicely, guys. See, it's fully cooked, very nice. The taste is very good, guys, but I think my lemon become little more. You can put the lemon little less. Very nice. The taste is very good, guys, and the best part is this is only 350 calories. It's a great dinner, guys. Along with it, you can eat some vegetables, some salad or boiled vegetable. It will be great dinner. Okay guys, so do try this dish. It's very nice, and do give a like to my video, and please try this dish and give me your feedback. Did you like it or not? And do subscribe my channel, guys. I need your support. And if you liked my video, please give a like and share it with your friends. Okay, till then, everybody stay healthy and take care, guys. Bye bye. See you next time.